Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the new Unity wallpaper on your iPhone running iOS 16.3. If you're new here on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone and your Android phone, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So the latest iOS update includes a new iPhone wallpaper, which is part of the Apple's Black Unity collection. So the collection celebrates the Black History Month. So let me show you how to get this new wallpaper. So before we begin, you want to update your iPhone to the latest version. You can do this by going into the settings, then tap on General, then Software Update. And here you need to make sure you're on iOS 16.3. Once that's updated to the latest version, you can go back to the home screen, bring down the notification screen, long press on it. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Now you want to scroll down until you see Unity. So you got two styles of Unity wallpapers. So go ahead and select the one you like. Now here, if you swipe left, you have a choice of different color themes which you can apply. And once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Add at the top right. Then tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. And now your iPhone will be set to the new Unity wallpaper. And there you go, that is how you can get the new Unity wallpaper on your iPhone running iOS 16.3. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.